Dear children, now we are going to do one very important concept, very important. So it may ask for 2 marks question in an exam, and it is very important for competitive part also. What is that? Sum to, look at that, sum to infinity, sum to infinity of geometric progression. This is what? Look at me, the very important sum to infinity. Sum to n terms is taken as Sn. Then how can you write sum to infinity can be symbolized as S infinity. Sum to infinite number of term. When they are asking find the sum to infinity, it is only belongs to geometric progression, not belongs to AP or some other progressions. So when the question is like that, find the sum to infinity of something, it is understood that it is a geometric progression. Sum to infinity of a GP is given by A divided by 1 minus R, where A is the first term and R is the common ratio. Keep in mind, sum to infinity of geometric progression is given by A divided by 1 minus R. Let us do some problems here. Find the sum to infinity of, look at the first question. Find the sum to infinity of, find the sum to infinity of, find the sum to infinity nothing but geometric progression, infinity of 1 plus 2 by 3, 1 plus 2 by 3 plus 4 by 9 plus 1 like this. Sum to infinity. Here identify the first term. Let the first term A is equal to 1, common ratio R is equal to 2 by 3 divided by 1, T2 by T1, that is equal to 2 by 3 itself. Okay, now S infinity, what is S infinity? S infinity is given by A divided by 1 minus R. Just substitute here. What is A? A is 1 divided by 1 minus R is what? 2 by 3. Okay. Now in the denominator we have to take the LCM. That is equal to 1 divided by 3 is an LCM. This becomes 3 minus 2, that is 1. Now this 3 goes up. When this 3 goes up, what happens here? 3 by 1, nothing but 3. This is what? S infinity of this. Okay. Now look at the second question. Find the sum to infinity of, find the sum to infinity of, look at the first next question. 1 plus 1 by 2, very beautiful one. 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 2 cube plus 1 like this. Here to do the problem, sum to infinity is again nothing but a geometric progression concept. So now let A is equal to 1, the first term, R is equal to T2 by T1, nothing but 1 by 2 divided by 1, nothing but 1 by 2. We wish to find out S infinity. So S infinity is given by A divided by 1 minus R. Look at me. A is given by 1 divided by 1 minus R is 1 by 2. Okay. That is equal to 1 minus of is of itself. When this 2 goes up, 1 into 2, that is equal to 2 by 1, nothing but 2 itself. This is what? S infinity. Got my point? Okay. Got my point? Okay, we'll do one more problems here. One more problem related to this. Find the sum to infinity of. Find the sum to infinity of. What is the question here? The question is 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 9. 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 9. Then what will be the next term? 1 by 27 plus 1 like that. Here collect the first term and the common ratio. What is the first term? First term A is equal to 1. Common ratio R is equal to T2 by T1. Nothing but 1 by 3. Now we have S infinity is equal to A divided by 1 minus R. A is equal to 1 divided by R is 1 minus 1 by 3. So 1 divided by, take LCM, 3 is an LCM, what happens? 3 minus 1, nothing but 2. Now here this 3 goes up, 1 into 3, that is equal to 3 divided by 2. This is what? S infinity. Right? We'll do one more problem. Children. We'll do one more problem of S infinity, that means sum to infinity of the geometric progression. Look at the question here. Minus 3 by 4, minus 3 by 4, comma 3 by 16, comma minus 3 by 64, so like this. Okay, now here A is equal to minus 3 by 4. That's my point. And we wish to find out R. R is given by T2 by T1, nothing but 3 by 4 divided by, what is that? 3 by 16 divided by minus 3 by 4. This becomes 3 by 16 into minus 4 by 3. 3 get cancelled. 4 4s are, that is equal to minus 1 by 4. The common ratio R. How to use the formula? Sum to infinity, that is S infinity, is given by A divided by 1 minus R. What is A? Minus 3 by 4 divided by R. 1 minus. R is minus 1 by 4. Got my point? So this become minus 3 by 4 whole divided by 1 plus 1 by 4. So now this become minus 3 by 4 divided by, what is an LCM? 4. 4 ones are 4 plus 1. 5 by 4. So here 4 4 get cancelled. Remaining thing is what? What is the remaining thing here? Minus 3 by 5. This is what? S infinity. Okay, children, this is all about sum to infinity of a geometric progression. Once again, I will recall that when there is a common ratio between every pair of succeeding term and preceding term, then that type of sequence become a geometric progression. The general form or standard form of a geometric progression is taken as AR square, so on, A into R power n minus 1. So that nth term or general term or last term of GP is Tn is equal to A into R power n minus 1 divided by, A into R power n minus 1. Now, the important thing is to find out the sum to infinity of a GP. Sn of a GP depends upon the two factors. Depends upon a factor, that common ratio. When common ratio is less than 1 or common ratio is greater than 1, that is important. When common ratio is greater than 1, Sn is equal to A into R power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. When Sn is less than, common ratio is less than 1, Sn is equal to A into 1 minus R power n divided by 1 minus R. And more importantly, when the common ratio R is unknown, or the common ratio given in terms of unknown variable, we have to use Sn is equal to A into 1 minus R power n divided by 1 minus R. And very important thing, one question is there. So any three terms of a geometric progression, is taken as A by R, A and AR. Got my point? And the very important fact is sum to infinity. Sum to infinity of a GP is given by S infinity, that is equal to A divided by 1 minus R. This is all about geometric progression. So in the next segment of the classes, we will discuss about the geometric mean. How the geometric mean of between the two numbers, like that. Okay. Thank you very much.